Have you ever looked at someone and thought, they are better than me?
Maybe they speak English faster, have a better job, or look more confident.
And then you look at yourself and feel small.
You think, why am I still here?
That feeling is very common.
And honestly, it does not feel good.
Maybe you compare your English with your friend's English.
Maybe your friend speaks one sentence, and you think, wow, I need to go home.
Many learners feel that.
But today, we want to help you feel calm.
Yes. Today, we will talk about how to stop comparing yourself to others.
In simple English.
With easy daily sentences.
And with kind words for yourself.
Welcome back to Learn English with us.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Sara.
And this is Beginner English Conversations.
Today's topic is stop comparing yourself to others.
Sara, this topic feels real.
Yes, it is very real.
Many people compare themselves every day.
They compare their English.
They compare their jobs.
They compare their money.
They compare their life.
And sometimes they compare their progress.
Progress means moving forward, right?
Yes. Progress means you are improving little by little.
Like, my English progress is slow.
Yes, but slow progress is still progress.
That is a good sentence.
Repeat it.
Slow progress is still progress.
Very good.
I think learners need this sentence.
Yes, because many learners feel late.
They think, other people are faster than me.
But every person has a different journey.
Journey means life path?
Exactly. Your journey is your path.
So my journey is not your journey.
Correct.
And my English journey is not my friend's English journey.
Exactly.
That feels peaceful.
Good. That is the first message today.
What is it?
Your journey is yours.
Your journey is yours.
Simple, but powerful.
I like it.
Now let's learn the main phrase.
Okay?
Stop comparing yourself to others.
Stop comparing yourself to others.
Compare means to look at two people or two things together.
Like, he speaks better than me.
Yes, that is comparing.
Or, she learns faster than me.
Correct.
And others means other people.
Yes, so stop comparing yourself to others means do not always look at other people and feel bad about yourself.
That is important.
Very important.
Because comparing can hurt your confidence.
Yes, confidence means you believe you can do something.
I need confidence to speak English.
We all do.
But when I compare, I feel nervous.
Exactly. Comparing can make you feel nervous, sad, or small.
Small inside.
Yes, but you are not small.
Thank you, Sara.
You are learning.
I am learning.
You are improving.
I am improving.
You are moving forward.
I am moving forward.
Great.
This feels like English and therapy.
A little kindness helps learning.
Very true.
Now let's talk about real life.
Okay.
Imagine you are in an English class.
Oh no, dangerous place.
Not dangerous.
For shy learners, sometimes yes.
Okay, maybe a little scary.
A student speaks English very fast.
And you think, I cannot speak like that.
Yes, then I become quiet.
Many learners do that.
They stop speaking.
But you can say something better to yourself.
What can I say?
I am learning at my own speed.
I am learning at my own speed.
Own speed means your speed.
Not my friend's speed.
Correct.
Not social media speed.
Correct.
My own speed.
Exactly.
I am learning at my own speed.
Very good.
This sentence makes me feel calm.
That is the goal.
Can we use another sentence?
Yes, I do not need to be perfect.
I do not need to be perfect.
Good.
Because perfect English is too much pressure.
Yes. For beginners, clear English is better than perfect English.
Clear English.
Clear means easy to understand.
So I can speak slowly and clearly.
Yes.
I do not need to be perfect.
Exactly.
I need to practice.
Good sentence.
I need to practice.
Now let's do a mini conversation.
Great.
Imagine you feel bad after English class.
Okay. I feel sad.
Adam, are you okay?
Not really. I feel bad.
Why do you feel bad?
My classmate speaks English better than me.
I understand, but you are still learning.
Yes, but I feel slow.
Slow is okay. You are learning at your own speed.
I am learning at my own speed.
Good. What can you do today?
I can practice 5 sentences.
Great. That is progress.
Thank you. I feel better now.
That was a simple and useful conversation.
And very real,
Yes, many learners can use this.
especially after class.
Or after watching a video online.
Ah, social media.
Yes, social media can make comparing worse.
Very true. Everyone looks perfect online.
Perfect English.
Perfect job.
Perfect house.
Perfect breakfast. Even the egg looks successful.
Yes, even breakfast.
And then I look at my tea and feel behind.
But social media is not the full story.
That is a very good sentence.
Social media is not the full story.
Social media is not the full story.
You see one picture or one short video.
But you do not see the hard work.
You do not see the mistakes.
You do not see the bad days.
Exactly.
So I should not compare my real life with someone's best moment.
That is a strong sentence.
Maybe a little long.
True. Let's make it simple.
Okay?
I should not compare my life with social media.
I should not compare my life with social media.
Very good.
This is useful.
Yes.
Can we practice a social media conversation?
Of course.
I will feel worried.
Okay. Adam, why do you look quiet?
I saw my friend's video. His English is very good.
And how do you feel?
I feel behind.
I understand. But remember, social media is not the full story.
That is true.
Maybe he practiced for many years.
Yes, I do not know his full story.
Exactly.
I should not compare my life with social media.
Good. What can you do now?
I can practice my own English.
Great choice.
I feel calmer now.
Good.
And I will close the app.
Very smart.
And drink tea.
Of course.
Tea is my emergency plan.
A peaceful emergency plan.
Very peaceful.
Now let's learn some useful beginner phrases.
Good. I like phrase time.
Phrase 1. I am learning at my own speed.
I am learning at my own speed.
Use this when you feel slow.
I feel slow, but I am learning at my own speed.
Good.
Phrase 2. I do not need to be perfect.
I do not need to be perfect.
Use this when you feel pressure.
I do not need to be perfect. I need to practice.
Nice sentence.
Phrase 3. I am proud of my progress.
I am proud of my progress.
Use this when you want to be kind to yourself.
I am proud of my progress, even if it is small.
Very good.
Phrase 4. Everyone has a different journey.
Everyone has a different journey.
Use this when you compare yourself.
Everyone has a different journey, and my journey is mine.
Great.
Phrase 5. I will focus on my own growth.
I will focus on my own growth.
Growth means getting better.
Like English growth.
Yes, your English is growing.
Slowly, but growing.
Exactly.
I will focus on my own growth.
Very nice.
These phrases feel simple but strong.
That is what we want.
Simple English with strong meaning.
Yes.
Now, can we talk about mistakes?
Good idea.
Sometimes I compare my mistakes with another person's success.
That happens a lot.
I see their good sentence, but I see my wrong sentence.
But mistakes are part of learning.
I know, but they feel embarrassing.
Embarrassing means you feel shy or uncomfortable.
Yes, mistakes feel embarrassing.
But mistakes also show you are trying.
That is better.
Say this. Mistakes mean I am learning.
Mistakes mean I am learning.
Good.
I like that.
Another sentence is, I can learn from this mistake.
I can learn from this mistake.
Great.
So mistakes are not the end.
No, they are part of the road.
English road has many small mistakes.
Yes, and many small wins.
Good balance.
Now let's do listen and repeat practice.
Repeat after us.
I am learning at my own speed.
I am learning at my own speed.
I do not need to be perfect.
I do not need to be perfect.
I am proud of my progress.
I am proud of my progress.
Everyone has a different journey.
Everyone has a different journey.
I will focus on my own growth.
I will focus on my own growth.
Mistakes mean I am learning.
Mistakes mean I am learning.
I can learn from this mistake.
I can learn from this mistake.
Social media is not the full story.
Social media is not the full story.
I am not behind. I am learning.
I am not behind. I am learning.
Excellent practice. These sentences are good for English and life. Yes. Now let's review.
Today, we learned how to stop comparing ourselves to others.
We learned that everyone has a different journey.
We learned that slow progress is still progress.
We learned useful phrases like, I am learning at my own speed.
And, I do not need to be perfect.
We also learned that social media is not the full story.
And mistakes mean we are learning.
Before we finish, remember this.
You are not late.
You are not behind.
You are learning.
You are growing step by step.
And your small progress matters.
Now write one simple sentence in the comments.
Write, I am learning at my own speed.
Or write, I am proud of my progress.
Subscribe to Learn English with us and keep practicing with us every day. Bye for now.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and be kind to yourself. Bye-bye.